Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel. I'm here today to give you a room tour at the Hotel Bennett in this lovely Charleston, South Carolina. This is your deluxe king room. The deluxe king room comes with your nice flat screen TV. You have complimentary coffees and bottled water. All of your bottled water is always complimentary. The snack bar over here and the wine is additional. That would be charged to your room. And then you have your little alcohol beverages here, airplane bottles, your ice bucket and glasses. Now with this, they do have the safe in the bottom drawer. So everyone has a safe large enough to fit a laptop in there and your other valuables. You have your beautiful king size bed here with all of your, Egyptian cotton linens here, a nice desk. The bookshelves are the real books. This hotel used to be a library and they have real books in here from the original library for you to use. And then in this one is your refrigerator, your mini fridge, where you have some bottled wines, you have Heineken beers and other soft drinks in there as well, but that would be at a charge. That is not complimentary. The nice thing about this feature is you have your USB ports here to charge your phones as well as regular plugs. And we have one on each side. We have a lovely little love seat here, to sit here and overlook the views here or read a book in your nice quiet room if you prefer. And then we're going to walk into the lovely bathroom. So when we go down the hallway, we have a full-length mirror. And then we have this great closet. And the nice thing about the closet here is that it does light up. So it's not a dark closet. We have complimentary robes to use as well as slippers. You have your iron and iron board, and they have an umbrella there in case it is raining outside. And then the bathroom does have your pocket doors. You walk into this beautiful bathroom. You have your double sink in this room type, and you have your complimentary bathroom amenities from your mouthwash, body lotion, soap, and your makeup mirror as well. And we have this, pedestal stand tub, the single tub here, nice rack there for your towels and your soap. Beautiful chandelier over the tub, and you do have a shade that will come down for privacy over the window. And then we have our nice walk-in shower that is a very large size. You have your rainforest shower head as well as your individual handheld shower head, your shampoos, conditioners, and soap. And then of course we have a private room here for the toilet. And all rooms do have a hair dryer, so you have your hair dryer here for use. And there's also a scale. Nice big mirrors here, plenty of lighting, nice fresh lighting. This is a brand new property. This was opened up in January of 2019 by Michael Bennett, who is a local businessman here. And it's one of the luxury hotels in Charleston. So not all the hotels are ranked this high. This is a 5-star boutique style, maybe a little bit larger than a boutique style property. So when you're ready to book any property in Charleston, especially the Hotel Bennett, please call us at A Premier Travel. We can tell you all about the resort and all about Charleston. Thank you.